How to escape the 9-to-5 trap, step-by-step plan. Most people don't hate the job. They hate being stuck, waking up early, rushing through traffic, working all day, going home exhausted, and repeating it for 40 years. The 9-to-5 isn't evil, but being trapped in it is. If you want freedom, you need a plan. Here's how to escape the 9-to-5 trap, step by step. Step 1. Stop depending on one income. If your job is your only income source, you are financially vulnerable. One company controls your paycheck. That's not freedom. Start building a second source of income. It doesn't need to replace your job immediately. It just needs to grow. Even an extra small income stream changes your power. Step 2. Learn a monetizable skill. Freedom is built on skills, not motivation, not luck, not connections. Learn something people are willing to pay for. Sales, video editing, copywriting, programming, digital marketing, content creation. Your skill becomes your leverage, and leverage creates freedom. Step 3. Reduce expenses while you build. If your lifestyle is expensive, you can't take risks. Lower your expenses temporarily, not forever. Temporarily. The smaller your monthly needs, the easier it is to transition. Freedom requires breathing room. Step 4. Reinvest your extra income. When your side income starts growing, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Reinvest it. Buy assets. Improve your skill. Grow your business. Turn income into ownership. Ownership is what breaks the 9-to-5 cycle. Step 5. Transition strategically. Don't quit emotionally. Quit strategically. When your side income consistently covers your basic expenses, that's when you move. Not when you're frustrated. Not when you're tired. When the numbers make sense. The goal isn't to escape work. The goal is to escape dependency. The 9-to-5 can fund your freedom if you use it correctly. You don't quit your job first. You build your freedom first. Then you leave. Freedom is built, not wished for. If this helped you think differently, subscribe to Wealth with Sammy. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We build systems to escape average. See you in the next video.